Hello ladies, what's up? What is pre-poo? I can hear you wondering. So let me give you reasons why this is good for dry, natural, falsy hair. Let's start with the Google definition. Pre-pooing is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the actual shampoo process. In other words, it's some sort of hair mask that protects your hair from excessive dryness and unnecessary breakage or massive hair loss. I would strongly recommend this extra wash day step to my texture girls who have hard time detangling their hair. FYI, I'm taking down a 7 weeks cornrows hairstyle here. Ew, my hair is ridiculously dirty and dry. After wearing a very long protected hairstyle anyway, over here, a pre-poo treatment is much needed. Yeah, I know. Life has been lifing. What can I say? I usually pre-poo my hair overnight the day before shampoo, but 15 minutes before shower is great also. Since I've included this in my hair routine 4 years ago, my hair has been thriving. So if your hair is suffering from extra dryness, you notice some slow growth or a bunch of breakage, definitely consider pre-pooing. As a pre-poo treatment helps restoring or adding lost moisture. Yeah girl, a huge contribution to hair length retention. Yep, sigh of relief. Look at my hair, oh, dirty, dry, weak, brittle, thirsty. Oh my God. Hey, we made it after 45 minutes of struggle. Now onto the process of detangling my hair. I always work in section. Like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, my top tip on how to grow long and healthy, falsy natural hair. So I spritz my hair with warm water here to help being more manageable. I add my oil mix always. And then I proceed to, search from shed hair. Why I do this? Because since my hair has been in a very long protective style, it didn't get the chance to shed, organically. So I have to actually search and remove it with my fingers to avoid unnecessary tangle and breakage. So I make sure I massage all the product in. And once I'm done doing so, I just follow with finger detangling. I'm literally choosing knots here because when my hair is dry, my hair tends to, knot up at the end. So before I use any detangling tool, I rather, separate my hair strands with my fingers to avoid, unnecessary damage. So I feel it with my fingers and I separate it very gently. I take my time. Massage product in using here. I'm using the praying method. For those who don't know what is praying method, there it is, just to help distribute the product evenly. And once I feel like okay, I have less knots or my fingers can glide through my hair, I proceed to use a detangling tool. My favorite is a wide tooth comb. You can use any of your choice. I fancy wide tooth comb. I hold my hands firmly at the end and I proceed to comb, being extremely gentle, gently. You have to be gentle. The video is sped up because if I don't speed the video up, we spend the whole day here. So I take my time. I start from the ends, always hold the section, and I walk my way up to my roots. That's how I detangle my hair. That's the only way I do it. I take my time. I think this is the most time consuming step in my wash day hair routine, but it worth it. That's how I manage to keep my hair volume and my hair length. It's very imperative to take your time while you do this, Once I feel like this section is thoroughly detangled, I can proceed to twist. And you end up into a very big chunky twist that's coiled up at the end, preventing from unraveling under the shower. And the roots are very loose. Why? Because I need to access my scalp while I'll be washing my hair. Yes, ladies, I wash my hair in big chunky twist. I got that trick from a natural YouTuber who goes by the name Nikki B Natural. Oof, a game changer in my natural hair routine. So yeah, you see me here repeating the process over again on another section of my head. Let me list and repeat to you the main, key steps. I section my hair, I spritz with warm water, add oil mix, search for sedge hair, shed hair. I'm searching for shed hair, finger detangle, looking for and chasing knots, detangling tool, which is why to come here, you can use any. And once it's done, I proceed to twist the section up. And then I repeat this process all over my head. Ooh, my hair is so dirty, oh God. So yeah, by the end of the video, I'm going to show you a random clip where you see everything I do from start to finish. Once my chunky twists are done, I cover up my head with a plastic bag, and then I top it up with my head scarf, and I go bed. I make sure nothing would drip on my bed sheets or pillows. So yeah, this is how I pre-poo my hair, and I treat my hair every wash hair day after a very long protected hairstyle. I don't know about you ladies, have you ever pre-poo your hair before? I'm telling you, it's a great alternative if you're suffering from extra dryness. You might consider doing so and adding into your hair routine. I'm doing this every time. It's never failed me, and I'm not planning to ever stop. So guys, well, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Ask me a question down below. Have you ever done this before? Are you considering doing so? Do you have any other method to combat hair loss and hair breakage or hair dryness? Please share with us down below, and share also the video with people who struggle with taking care of their hair or detangling their hair. Kindly consider subscribing if you want to see more of me. Guys, I'm done here for today. I'll see you on my next video next Sunday. Take a great care of yourself. See ya. Maradona.